Hello guys, it's Mrunal. Welcome back to our channel. As you may know, we were exploring the land of mystic beauty, Sikkim. You can check out our previous video where we explored Nathula Pass, Baba Mandir and Changu Lake from East Sikkim.
So khursi ki peti बांध लीजिए and let's explore Sikkim virtually with us. Oh wait, if you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Now go.
After exploring East Sikkim, we went back to hotel around 5:30 pm. But here, sunrise and sunset दोनों जल्दी होते हैं. So we relaxed for some time and headed to MG Marg. A visit to Gangtok is really incomplete without paying visit to MG Marg. It is the central shopping hub of this beautiful state capital with various shops, restaurants and hotels lined up along both sides. यहाँ पे काफ़ी रेस्टोरेंट्स हैं, बट उनमें से सबसे फेमस है बेकर्स कैफे. यहाँ पे यू कैन गेट कॉफ़ी, पेस्ट्रीज, मोमोज एंड बहुत कुछ. There is another restaurant you should visit and that is the Roll House. It's located on narrow alley of MG Road. But they serve delicious rolls of different types. MG Marg is must visit place as it offers a peaceful and perfect encounter of leisure. Next morning हम निकले to visit couple of famous places in and around Gangtok. And हमारा first stop था one of the finest monasteries of Gangtok, Dodrul Chorten. There are 108 prayer wheels around the Chorten and बहुत सारे diyas. Dodrul Chorten is a must-visit place for Nirvana seekers, history lovers, and photography buffs. उसके बाद हमें चाहिए था गैंगटोक का बेहतरीन नज़ारा. एंड फॉर दैट व्हाट्स द बेटर प्लेस देन अ रोपवे राइड. द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट ऑफ द रोपवे इज देवराली बाजार, विच इज सिचुएटेड इन द हार्ट ऑफ द सिटी एंड इजीली एक्सेसिबल बाय मोस्ट. The visitors can have a panoramic view of the full Gangtok city while taking a ride in this ropeway. The aerial ropeway is 935 meter long and the complete journey takes a total of 15 to 20 minutes. After checking out these two places in Gangtok, we started our journey to Namchi. But there are more places in and around Gangtok जो आप देख सकते हो, जैसे कि ताशी व्यू पॉइंट, फ्लोर एग्जीबिशन, नामग्याल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टिबेटोलॉजी और बागतांग वाटरफॉल. While going to Namchi, बीच में हम रुके to have some organic भुट्टा. Later, we had kulcha with delicious local sabji and famous thukpa in lunch. And yes, there we saw this cutie. पेट भर खाने के बाद we resumed our journey to Namchi. Nam means sky and Chi is high in Sikkimese. Namchi is the capital of South Sikkim and has developed as a hotspot for trekking, birding, and for religious tourism. Our first stop in Namchi was Chardham. It spreads over a massive area of 7 acres on top of the Solofok Hill, houses replicas of the 4 Dhams, Badrinath, Puri, Dwarka and Rameshwaram. In the center of it all is a towering 87-feet statue of Shiva placed on a 108-feet high temple with murals depicting his story. Around the temple are replicas of the 12 Jyotirlingas and a Nandi. After checking out this beautiful place, we went to visit another awesome place in Namchi, and that is Statue of Padmasambhava. A jaw-dropping 135 feet high statue of Padmasambhava, painted in copper and gold, sits on a lotus plinth. ये दुनिया में सबसे बड़ा पद्मसंभवा का स्टैचू है. Padmasambhava is known in Tibet as one of the founding fathers of Tibetan Buddhism. Visiting 2 huge statues in Namchi, we started our journey to Ravangla to see another masterpiece. That is Buddha Park in Ravangla. यहाँ का मेन अट्रैक्शन है 130 फीट हाई स्टैचू ऑफ द बुद्धा. This park is an attractive place to see, and it is surrounded by lush gardens, peaceful surroundings, and it has an ample walkway for visitors. यहाँ पे हमें आते आते शाम हो गई थी, but if you come here in the morning or afternoon, you can witness an uninterrupted view of the mountains. Nearby the park, there are also meditation center, museum, Buddhist conclave, and souvenir shop. After exploring such a fantastic places in South Sikkim, हम रात में पहुंचे पेलिंग. And in the morning from our room, we got this amazing view of Kanchenjunga.